I see your face in the midnight glow. Your smile's the rhythm my heartbeat knows. Every word you whisper stays with me, like a song that never leaves endlessly. When the world turns quiet, your voice is my tune, dancing through the night under the silver moon. I don't need the stars, I don't need the sky. Your love is the music that will never die. Oh baby, you're my love, you're my melody.
Every note is written deep in destiny. Hold me close, let the rhythm set us free.
Forever in your song, you belong to me. Your touch is gentle, but it burns like fire. Every chord we play takes me higher. No silence between us, only harmony. Your soul sings in perfect symmetry. Let the drums of Africa carry our song. We've been dancing to this beat all along. Love in the rhythm, heart to heart. This melody of ours will never fall apart. Oh